fi baro sasisin biang pat bat ukuntuk mentah udon hari ni jaga kebitanat bapunga babon fi baro kijutif fi jui bat kantong kena tulang di berim ada kan jaga jongka St. Edmund College anon kendu banyak sengu yang hubur jaga testimony bertunjuk jaga JM gajingman jowai lagi kena budaya person with disability lani kena badan setengah kadukatmet ina hang ni kena masaki bahagian dekat college dan kadangud kepada person with disability. Hang ni mentang menjawab kendu iway nak student jangka St. Edmund College kepada person with disability. Bat kumbai itu mai ba hang ni apa St. Edmund College kidan kaptukat ni kepada person with disability henry mentang New York swan kong ya iway nak student ban share ke ban ai ke testimony ban ai ya ke jingim ke jinglong ke jim ke ji ke bai im mana singi bat nisdang nengkong tak ban penitu shwa yaladi
College Bunimpi Baro ngadi iwai ki snaitang ngalong iwai student jongkani ke St. Edmunds College di mentang anang pulih ka 5th semester English honors di lakai nga husnam Hajar di ngalong kumni mo ngalong visually impaired kumni na benangka di ngari na po mauprai ke bahap Hamo Sendram constituency ngadan sangut sipara bat mga ngadi ibakat dudu di ngadu benangka kakum jingetu jeng imei pa kalong ba hakapor benangka yang hakapor kemtam hakapor banga ngalapar ki dapat jeng linggo ba mga ngali tur kelumar sini setai mo hendrei suki ngakabangan nang he dapat kuntu sistem arsnem laisnem ai di naklang jimei pa kila don tajing temu bangan libu no yang siapo nelirat yang siapo hospital mo kumpo ghati lani po civil hospital san ningkong ali siapo civil hospital te hadin tu ki ang ba ngimla syu ban ngimla ini ban sumar hikmat jong i mo te hadin nang ta ki palit yang siapo ghati hadin ngalai ghati pa kila persyang ban sumar yang hari kimla hadir kuntu ki ang ba ngi depan put ni khmat jong i kenang ba si gunur ngilak ban snai khmat jong i bangin la ban penyu i mo hari nang tapat kelak persang ki ketukan dia bikin snai khmat jong a la seban put henry kimla ban penyu i de hajinya lenti jong a hoi kadan kita kejing kidan lang kejing ngele mo henry wala kataru ngamdu jing kerman hoi dah kapur bakan ngarit ngadon kata kajing smusi haladi ba boleh ngalong kumni don tengah kum keran mang akum ong ba ublei mat ulek sliang ba dia ngaba kwi yang peni hari yang ngapat penlek kumni hari wala kataru don kipi kipor ngasai yam ladi ma ngasai perkat ngasai duai ma boleh ngalong kumni hari ski pat ngasngo ba boleh pensngo yang ngaba kemde ba ulek kumni yang ngi omde bau iben yang ngi na ni ulek sliang hari kede ba udon yang kata kaplan nak pentajongi te minta pat ngadon iwei polok jonga ibaya pulilang bat ngamo ibadan jinuna ke body i kumangahi 4% kumangahi te ide nak English department.
Hi, my name is Takosangba and I'm from Nagaland. I'm also visually impaired. I would like to share a little bit about myself. I lost my vision in 2011 after an eye operation, and because of that I had to quit school for 5-6 years, and it was one of the most difficult thing that I had experienced. And for those years I was in great depression and was like hopeless, but through God's grace and from the support of my family members, friends, community, I was able to stand back again and continue the journey from where I left. And now I'm here in Shillong, in St. Edmunds College, Shillong, and I'm doing my BA English, third semester. despite being visually impaired and physically challenged, I also was introduced to the world of music. And during my difficult times and those heartbreaking times, music, it comforted me, and also it was like a companion to me. And music also helped me start my journey again, and also helped me mend my shattered spirit. It was in 2016 that I started playing the piano, but especially during the pandemic, I took it seriously, and it's been 3-4 years that I'm playing the piano, and I'm also trying to motivate others through playing the instrument. I'm also like quite interested when it comes to playing sports. Despite being physically challenged, I also love playing football, cricket, and also I'm trying how to play table tennis just by listening to the ball. And yeah, it's kind of interesting. And while learning how to play the piano, at first it was very difficult for me. It's just like exploring something that is new, since I wasn't able to I can't see anything, and like it was new to me. It was very hard for me to navigate the keys and also pressing the right keys, jumping from chords to chords, but slowly like I was able to get a hand of it. And YouTube also helped me learn how to play, because these days we have a lot of accessible tools that we have. So using our phones, I learned how to play like by listening to piano tutorials, and also I also play guitar. So even guitars, pianos, and some other instruments, I learned how to play just by listening to it, just by hearing, and yeah.
Te wala nga along kumni rumah, wala nga du gikmat kumni mo bau blay u dan kata kajing tunggu yang Henry ngas nutu bat tangan gawe ba bau blay ule kumni yang em udan keir kay halindat mo ba udan kata kajing tunggu ban penkela yikiwe ngelaban ong ya ka society na kibriu mo baro ngai ba lingba ka sap ka jongi ka bau blay ai hangi kadan keir kay ka ba mo udan kata kajing tunggu ta ban penkela yikiwe Te kum ngan itu ipi kum mangamo ngadon kesap ngadon sibun ki talent. Kum nganang man roy, nganang man tem ki drums, ki guitar, ki bass. Ane nganang man ki beatboxing, ane ngalak ban nganang ki bun ki sport semua ngi sei lek kai kum tu. Kanget ba ublay udang kata ke jing temu pi. Aba ulek ngi kum ne. Manganget lara ule se kidan tang ki bebet babiang ru. Ule se kamdan kano ka isung tu te haki railing ba jungi kumne bat bangidan lang hakan ka society. Kamtam lara ngi bun ki ta ki brik badan jununa du khat mat ka penlong ki brik baben sung tu ba kim iban kan yeno ru. Ki kim iban ni kamtam ki baduk ka ban kong du ka point ka dei kamdan ki baduk. Dengan sekolah bang tu ipi bai ba mo ba menta mangaru ngadan hakoi ka seng. Kedai MLAV bagi short short form kedai Meghalaya Liberation Association of Visually Impaired de ngabat kami we nang kitkam kami publicity secretary kita inang penbena mo ban ai khobor kaseng de kejingrung jonga kan kaseng kolong ban kintiu ban pensung tu ya ka ilang salang mo pang jungi kejingel lenti jonga ngasyam ba kijing ler kidan hi mah kijing keman ang niang tar kidan hi te dan nang teng mah kum mangai we ibadan di sunah ka bor ui ka larang ayat lenti mah kam tam ka ba ketak phai nga ka dekan we ka ayat lenti dan kibri ru ki bang ngi ba kli ngi ba bali phimi sabar ane sei phim lej bali phimi sabar bali phim ting mo ya pi accident ane yang kemapi kumni pimlang ban mi sebar marba ya pi kuntam ya pi dan hab ka jeng mensau hab chanala lani pi accident lani mta ma pinyap mta hari ka message lani ka khobor ka banga ko ban ai pi pa kolong ba awala gilong kumni ru ngidan kata ka jingkwa lani ngi dan kam ya kata ka bangingin ilong inclusive bat pi ma bangin ya long ringkat dor bat pi kan namar ba walang ilong kumnir baknaru ring ngimla tem ngin syong haju nginumla ngana example tang por covid-19 ru pi syong kumba lai bna sobna ru bna hayeng ru pilalong ya thnum de kanon tamli mangil ngin syong ki post nam hayeng atu ngin la se without doing nothing in syong bi hayeng de kadikani kan ba kumanga ong mentan mo ba blai uai kata ka ability te uai kata yangi kata ka jingla kasap ka phom lani ka jenang jing start mo ngano pi mundur sei mo ba mangi la ban le school kumne men chwa ngathrai men chok bor badang ngaret mangaru bor khaki ombe ki jikerman ngai ki omba pi de pinmi shum school mang sen ai plat pi mo ba ki omba mangi thrangin umpai si sono kan ngai dat timba ka jing plat ti jung blai te ngila te bingin poi ka thong te men ta ban ngala ban dimba gumtu ban ngala ban school nanti po betting society ngala ban join nursery ngapendep ya ka kastof natuhi te men ta ban ngawan hani ha po St. Edmunds College dekta kadika poin ke baningkong dik poin ke baar ke bangaku ban kerpat ya ka imang salang kam tami kinang mi kemat ani ki officers mo kalong ba ajing syaman kapol gila pen sngohi ya ka bai dei bakane ke jing kran mo kemong kemingi berubah mi ki om manla ani berubah mi song ki om kelut ani deko tinga ngaku ban sngohi hang ni ba lara kalong kebala ngatharai pimre suban use kini ki word ken namar ba dan teng am akajing ya lenti jungi ilong ki dan katokan ni ki bri ba dan jiks ngote la ki khat kum tu la khat kum ni ki dan kata kajing kata hangi ki mo ke baar pat kalong ya ka UDID ngaku ban kerpat pi baro ba pin yashna no namar kat kum jing tip jonga ki person with disabilities ka kum ka census arja khat wei ki dan kumba sapsau hajar Ruspa Tam Henry mentapat kat kum ki break badan ya ka UDID kumba commissioner for person with disabilities ya tu kolong bai dan kidan tang kumba at khanda hajar ngut tam ai de ngantrai ani kumba khasan hajar tam ai kimpat ya apply mas tengah kerpat pi baru pin apply na yang ni ka solution ma kalau kolong kawai ka lat kelenti ban apply ki scheme lani ki scholarship baru akibat per mah bai dei bat jungi ki priu betul junah du khatman di kumangaru ngala apply kini ki UDID ngala yo akti mah kum kena pulih kadang ayo ban apply ya kini ka scholarship ru ke belong kalat jingarap di lara kiwi ki kene piru ban scholarship dan kini ban taka jindu jing khatman dari ban ban pediang bai je ke pila long Bikin aingu ba you play keban kong kalau bikin aingu ba you play mo lar long penuh ru bikin jing ler song praise the lord di command ru praise the lord ta ka de ka wake up message ke bang apa ai kamar ba dan pengingat ba boleh bingi kuni di bulan kita kacing mu de ngasongu ri kibriu kiba yarap yangi kalau college ni lah kalau sabar jangan college yangi ru kamta pagi yang nanti don taki belum kiarap hai ngi kamta mi ko keras itu kiwan keli ngi ki keras ringi kiarap ringi ban don tangi taxi don tangi kiarap ngi kamta mi driver so tengah lap bagi abang ngelong penyiar sata penyiar IGP ne penyiar po civil hospital ne kiarap baik penyiar baik ju laptop gi mo katum ka jingel nanti jangan kata mo ngangai ba boleh kui fi ngangai ba kai ke jingle jing bhai Jumlah bahasa pingi kesawan kalian pin tak kecing bah. Yang menging silam kita bangin cu. Doai mana pelajar pi. So regarding music, like as me and my friend, like Taku, like I have experienced that. I think music like gives us hope and like makes us delighted, right?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Of course, like during our difficult times, right?
Yeah, right. Especially during difficult times, it makes us happy. Like,
of course.
Like if we're playing like music, like especially keyboard or guitar, anything like
any type of
music, it makes us happy. And also, like I believe that it'll be inspiring others. Like,
It will be a tool, right? Like
Yeah.
to inspire others.
yeah, like suppose if we show talent, sometimes people like those who can see like if they saw us. Like I found some like some program like I was performing, like,
Yeah.
they saw us and then like they were so shocked, like how come like he is blind but he's still playing keyboard and still playing like
Yeah.
guitar and all. Like
Even me, I've experienced that. Like they used to come and just shake my hands. Like I didn't know that you were visually impaired. I have experienced those kind of effects from.
yes,
Yeah.
like it makes people, especially like when I did beatbox, like they
Yes.
was so shocked, like who taught you beatbox and like
Yeah.
how did you know, like how did you beatbox and all, like they were so shocked. So I believe that through us it'll be inspiring others like to how to say, like to work hard,
Yeah.
especially in music.
Yeah,
Work
yeah.
hard, like never give up.
Of course.
They should be patient, right?
Yeah.
Should be patient, like regarding music.
Even as we at first we struggled a lot.
Yeah.
Because like this visually like this side, it was like hindering us to go forward, but like we just left this behind and just we
Yes,
just
yes.
continued on our
So
journey.
sometimes I feel like it's hard for us to learn creative also. But I believe like people who can see, so please don't how to say, like don't waste your time. Don't waste especially your talent.
Yeah.
Please practice, keep practicing. Believe that
Value your time, everything, no?
Yeah, you'll reach somewhere.
Sharon Shaneng Pai But didn't know Yaki way And I walk and die Down in Garden Bay Riba Pai Riba Lagu Play But that young Thailand Met phim cho ta kislay They don't receive Shimang Paken Shimen Panpi Yung Tanya Pa Nakirsim Ka Jingja Nakami Basinya
Mana beriu ngidon ya kabenta jangan jingla. Banle ya ke bagi sutunat bani i. Ngidi banyo i ya ke jing itali ba ke jing aiman sin para beriu. Ngim dei ban thau chinan thmat. Yang ni yang bagi netali gum ke beriu gi basta. Ba bantei ba ban aiman sin. Ba bakashan para beriu. Marka jing tanah jong ke jingim kasdang marka jing ra marka jing kershan iwei na ka banta galawei marka jingim ka pernai nang bu jing kali pi go wei ka i ka pin jingai ka sap ka jingi ka dei ka bangi ton je ka jingmut ka jongi ka bangi khen pamla kumbang lai i ka video no basang jingi armut ki person with disability ki ba share ka live ka jongi ka jingim ka jongi na to testimony ka jongi Don ni la jong ka banta ka sap ka jongi but uni ko thuk wan na ka channel kan ka channel kan ma pi ko ba kam nei ka channel ka jong ko thuk na kam nei ka channel jong office ni pamang ka jongi kan ka channel ka kerpang tam he na ka banta ni person with disability ara pi so thu don ka jong ko ka man sim ma jarab re la pa ni ko ka ba share ka ba subscribe ba pa si parlo ki para jor jofi na mar ko thuk la pan ya baru ki person with disability balik ki beranjana khamen re kan ka social media daga jing share da jompi daga jing pa ka jompi ki ba hing ki ba sem ka jompi ki badan hasor dan hanong kondong ki la banyu i ya kan ni video ba langar on video la ki pa kan no ko suggestion na no ko jing ha jing mut ka jompi ki la ban comment sa kan ka youtube ko jompi kan no comment ka bangi upload ka video ko jompi la ban comment la ban ha jing mut dan la ban ya thu ngi ki person with disabilities ki dan kam hakajaka ka ba bi fito tangata kuntu yopi kublai shibun shajar mo boleh ku